BookTube Kids.
Hey! Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something incredibly exciting. I like this sound. Let's unbox this incredible Peppa book collection. The incredible Peppa Pig collection! I can't wait to dive in and see what's inside. If you are a Peppa Pig fan or have little ones who are, this unboxing is just for you. Let's get started. I can't believe I'm going to unwrap this little book collection. Okay. Alright children, let's see what we have got here. Okay, I love this packaging. Let's unbox this. I'm already loving the colorful packaging. Wow, look at this! The collection includes 50 books featuring Peppa and her friends. The covers are so vibrant and inviting. I can't wait to explore each one of them with you. These books contain counting, shapes, and basic life skills like it's some educational content, all cleverly integrated into the stories. It is a great way to make learning fun for the little ones. I know you love it. We will read it together soon. Shall we look at some of them that they have? Wow, I love this. We will take some of them out. Look at all these books that we have. So many books. Look at them. Grumpy Rabbit's Lighthouse, Mummy Pig's book, Grandpa Pig's greenhouse, Pretend Friend, Peppa's treehouse, Peppa and Sushi's argument. Wow, I'm so exciting! Stamps, Grandpa Pig's lawnmower, the ambulance, Grandpa Pig's boat, Peppa and George's garden, Petra is late, Miss Rabbit's taxi, magic mirrors, Grumpy Rabbit's boatyard. Let's go through the rest of them. I'm feeling so excited when I'm touching these books. Take a look at these illustrations. They have really captured the charm of Peppa Pig's world. The colors are so lively. Mummy Pig's blackberries, digging up the road, the power cut, the museum, the library, sun, sea and snow, George's woolly hat, Grumpy Rabbit's hovercraft, bubbles, Grandpa Pig's little train, numbers. Oh, this is educational content. This is so lovely. International Day, George's friend, canal boat, Granny and Grandpa Pig's attic, the time capsule, windy autumn day. Oh my god, there are so many books. See here, what a lovely scene. Oh, there are more books. I am waiting to read this for you. I love to read this for you. Treasure hunt, Grandpa Pig's toy plane, Grandpa Pig to the rescue, Peppa's paintings, rock pools, Peppa's lunch, Foggy Day, Pedro's cough, George's birthday. Oh my god, there are a lot of books. I think there are some more inside. Let's see. Okay, that's all. Let's go through these books also. Peppa's school project, Simple Science, Shake, Rattle and Bang, Doctors, Grandpa Pig's computer, Peppa learns French, Babysitting, The Fire Engine, Peppa's Pen Pal. Considering these are children's books, durability is key. The binding seems sturdy. This is truly incredible. Altogether there are 50 books and I'm waiting to read it with you. This packaging is so useful. And of course we can't forget the characters. There are some characters here also. There are Gerald Giraffe, Emily Elephant, Rebecca Rabbit, Danny Dog, Pedro Pony, George, Peppa, Sushi Sheep, Wendy Wolf, Candy Cat, Soy Zebra, Freddy, Mandy. There are so many books and so I'm going to be reading all these Peppa Pig books over the coming weeks. Wow, what incredible Peppa Pig collection! If you are a parent or have little ones in your life, this is definitely a must-have. I'm so excited to start reading this with you. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy reading everyone. See you. Bye bye. Mwah.
Booktube Kids.